Hello,
Hello,
how are you?
I'm doing good. How about you?
Totally fantastic.
Okay, what are you doing now?
Right now,
Yeah.
I am right now practicing with you.
Oh, you're just practicing for today. No, like work, whatever.
Yeah, I'm like a university student. I have to study
Oh, you're a university student. Okay, what major?
Bengali literature.
Oh, that's fun.
Maybe you
Hello.
don't
Is it
know.
interesting?
It's like our native subject.
Uh-huh. Ooh. Is it interesting?
Yeah, obviously, all things are like
Uh-huh.
loving. It's related to love.
Ooh. Oh, okay.
I want to develop my speaking and want to go abroad for higher education. Canada,
Oh,
especially Canada.
okay. I see, I see.
And that's why
That's
I
quite
am
nice.
practicing English.
How long have you been learning English though?
Actually, I started 1 year before, but I was hinky panky.
Really good though.
Yeah, I didn't maintain
Okay.
consistency.
With that level? Really?
Like I stopped and again start. I stopped and again start in this way.
So did you study on your own or did you get like
I practice by myself. Still, I'm following my methods. Yeah,
Oh,
English
that is amazing. Okay.
pocket dictionary. It means English word.
For like how many hours are you actually studying English?
I separate my time.
Okay.
1 hour I used to listen. 1 hour for video
hmm
conversation.
What do you usually like?
I especially like making conversation like I'm doing.
Oh, okay. So how about like movies or stuff? Do you actually like watch movies?
If I watch movie, it takes more time,
Oh, okay.
and that's why I'm not fondness of watching movies.
Ooh. I see, I see.
But
That is amazing
that
though.
particularly, I watch like some clips, you
Oh,
know,
clips.
with
Okay. Yeah.
English subtitle, where I can find many advanced vocabs and phrases. You know,
I see. Okay. That's a really good way to put it. I guess I should do that too.
yeah, don't mind because I never maintain consistency, and that's why I made many mistakes. Okay, don't mind. Pardon me. Okay.
Really? Like with that level, you can really like talk to me like one on one though.
Once in a blue moon, I found a person who encouraged me to learn English. I
hmm
especially finding partner. I live in
Mm.
local area. There is no one who helped me to practice English, and that's why I'm looking for partner. By the way, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
Really?
Yeah.
But you look like China.
I look like China.
You are Somaganda.
Oh, you know Filipino. Okay. That's a flex.
I thought that you're from China.
I'm from China. Oh, no, no, no. I'm pure Filipino.
Yeah, that's need partner because if I don't practice every single day, I lag behind. Or look like Chinese because Chinese girl cut this hair like you.
Oh, you mean with bangs? Oh, so it's the bangs that make me Chinese. Don't worry.
Yeah,
I just have a huge forehead. That's why I use it.
yeah. They cover their forehead with hair.
It's
Some part.
the cuter version of hairstyles, if you will.
Yeah, I like it. I love it totally.
Oh, thank you.
So, what are you watching?
Oh, I am currently just looking for like what do you call this? A new browser.
Browser for what?
Yeah. Just in general, because I think my current browser isn't like doing well. Like, what are your official languages in your country?
Like in Bangladesh, the official language is Bengali.
Okay, you speak Chinese.
Ni hao,
For real? Oh, ni hao. You speak Chinese?
a little bit.
Damn, he's just flexing on us by listing all the languages he know. Okay.
Unfortunately, my university has been closed, and that's why I have enough free time.
Closed? I mean, closed, like not
I mean,
operating?
right now my university is off because we are right now in a peril situation. You want to know what happened?
What happened?
Okay. The main fact is the students of Bangladesh were protesting against quota
Uh huh.
system. It means children of freedom fighter are getting more privilege in government job rather than general student.
Oh,
And the
I.
old government of Bangladesh killed many students. Yeah,
Oh my god.
and that's why the the students were trying more effectively to decline to reduce this quota system in government job. We forced to fail from power. We are going in a suffering situation. My neighborhood country India disclosed the bank, and that's why like the people especially Noakhali Kumilla are afflicted with flood.
Oh,
I want to say that like India disclosed the bank when the people of Bangladesh were in sleeping. They woke up and find that their dwelling house is full of water.
like how bad is the flood?
It damages everything. The water level is high. Then the house level.
It's higher than house?
Yeah,
God.
everything was damaged. Hard situation. That's unwanted situation we are facing. What should I say to you? It's bad for us.